Welcome back. Elliston's life could have been saved had the Kukoli PI reached at the accident spot on time. Police are harassing the aggrieved party and witnesses and deliberately creating lapses in the probe at the behest of a particular MLA. Why Panchanama was conducted without measuring tape? Why the mob demanding justice was lathi-charged? Ambauli residents rapped police during a meeting with MLA and top police officials.
Ambauli residents have formed a group, namely Ami Amolkar, to ensure justice to deceased Elliston Fernandez. Elliston died in a fatal accident after a commercial heavy vehicle banged him at Savarkatta Junction. MLA Rajan Naik, SP South, Collector and SDPO held a meeting with aggrieved Ambauli locals on Thursday. They were in no mood to get pacified. Crowd rapped police officials for botching up the accident case.
हो आता दुखाचो मनीस तो येता आपणागेल विटनेस म्हणून साइन मारता आणि तुम्ही ताजेर आरोप घालतात किती अक्कल आहा रे तुका किती ताजेर कोण करता don't shout personally you can name anybody whatever you address before
Dr. Johnson Fernandez doubts that a particular MLA is influencing investigation.
तिसरे पंचनामा विदाउट मेजरिंग टेप केल्लो आसा फोटोग्राफ घेतला तितल्याचेर सोडला अदपुणे रातची मागीर परत गाडी बिडी हाडून केल्ले आसा आणि तातून भितर आयच्या पेपराचेर आयले ते प्रमाणे कोणा तरी एमएलएचा हात आसा म्हणून एमएलएचा हात आसा देखून पुलिसांनी हे सगळें केलां अशें तरी म्हाका दिसता.
Shockingly, police vehicle was fuelless. PI had to reach the spot on a motorbike.
पोलीस ते कांयच करना आमकां जी म्हायती मेळ्ळी 50 मिनटां तो ते पडटा तो हात ताजेर धडपडटा प्रत्येकान विचार करता तो म्हजो चलो आसल्यार कितें आशिल्लें कोण तरी एकटो पोलीस कोण तरी आपल्या सिवील ड्रेसान येवन सांगता पयशे घे आनी मिटया मरे मेलत न्ही तो म्हणून हे काळजाक पीड पडटा तागेलो भुरगो जर असो मरता जाल्यार अशें तो उलयतलो काय कितें गरज नासतना 12 जाणांचे विटनेस रातची ताणें सही घेतल्यो सगळीं नांव घेतली आनी तांचेरूच ह्या पोलिसांनी केस फायल केल्या हे 12 नांव आमकां खंयच्यान मेळ्ळी ह्या पोलिसांक पोलिसांच्या गाडयेक डिझल ना म्हणटात ही सगळी सरकारान हाची दखल घेवची आनी हाचे फुडें कोण तरी भुरगो रस्त्यार पडला ताबडतोब त्या भुरग्याक हॉस्पिटलांत व्हरचो.
After the meet, MLA Rajan Naik said final rites on Elliston would be conducted once his relatives land from abroad.
बॉडीचे तुमकां केन्ना भाव येवपा जाय भायर सरता तो आयले त्या ताबडतोब सगळ्यांनी तुमी फिनरल करपाचें आनी तेय चडशे एग्री जाल्यात की ताका सोयरी 2 जाणां आहात
डिमांड कितें
म्हणटाले
सेमा मिटींग घेता तांकां घेवन तूं
ना हांव सीएमा म्हणटलो.
It's been 3 days since Elliston died in the fatal accident at Savarkatta Junction. Ambaulim locals await suspension of erring police officers who messed up with Panchanama. They are expecting justice from CM. Even the local MLA assures justice and intervention of CM in this matter. Till then, Elliston's body awaits final rites. Savio Dias for Prudent.
Slaughtering at Goa Meat Complex is at halt and the meat crisis has struck the markets again. The complex has begun the construction and renovation of the main slaughter division of Meat Complex. The work started from 5th May and is likely to continue for another 6 to 8 months. Chairman of the complex says the meat traders are allowed to import meat from authorized slaughterhouses out of state and animal husbandry will keep a check on the meat quality. But the meat traders seek police protection from the NGOs.
The Goa Meat Complex Limited has given a notice of closure of its slaughtering operations to the traders from the 5th of May 2015. However, the contractor has requested that the plant be closed down for a minimum period of 6 to 8 months. The traders are bringing slaughtered animals slaughtered at other certified slaughterhouses outside the state of Goa, and as such certified meat is being brought by them into the state. The competent authorities of the Department of Animal Husbandry is constantly monitoring the meat that comes into the state and ensures that only certified and hygienic meat is sold.
Meanwhile, the meat traders have asked for an alternate arrangement for meat supply. They have demanded police protection from the NGOs while getting meat into the state.
आमकां कितें अल्टरनेटिव अरेंजमेंट करूंक ना कांय ना बेश्टे आमकां लेटर दिला गोवा मीट कॉम्प्लेक्स इज क्लोज सीएमा कडेन फाल्यां मेळटा की आमकां फाल्यां अरेंजमेंट खंयसर तरी
रेग्युलर नाजाल्यार शॉपां आमची बंद पडटली मास हाडपाक कितें तरी अरेंजमेंट करूंक जाय एनजीओस मातशे थोडे आमकां ते रस्त्याचेर प्रॉब्लम करता ते आमकां लास्ट टायम सुद्दां आमी सांगलेले की आमकां पुलीस प्रोटेक्शन दिवंक जाय.
Goa requires about 32 to 35 tons of meat on daily basis. Till an alternate arrangement to get fresh meat into the state gets through, the markets are sure to face the meat crisis, with the lone state-run slaughter complex under renovation. Senior reporter Laukik Shilkar with Mukesh Kumar and Chetan Gavas for Prudent.
2 persons died in Madai River on Thursday. Both the persons died at different places at different times. Sandesh Kulshekar, aged 39 years from Dave Satri, was found floating in the morning hours. Ronak Pinto from Parra Mapsa drowned in Sonal in the evening. A group of 9 people were on a picnic to Satari with Ronak. Sonal villagers fished out the dead body of Ronak Pinto.
Sandesh Kulshekar, aged 39 years, was found floating in Madai River at Dave. His body was found floating early morning on Thursday. Clothes and slippers were recovered from banks of river. Sandesh's family performed final rites on his body. In another incident, body of Ronak Pinto, aged 23 years, was fished out by villagers at Sonar in Madai River. A group of 9 persons had come for a picnic in Sattari area. Ronak hailed from Parra Mapsa. He got drowned on Thursday evening. This river is prohibited for swimming for being too deep. However, the youth neglected the warnings. Avinash Joshi for Prudent.
Crime Branch has failed to arrest absconding Constable Pritam Kadam. He is booked for cheating and rape. Accused Constable Pritam Kadam was married earlier for years, but under the conspiracy, he married another victim girl claiming to be unmarried. The accused constable not only took dowry from victim's family, he also sexually exploited the victim girl. Interestingly, police can't trace him.
An IRB constable, Pritam Lau Kadam, is absconding since registration of a FIR against him. According to police, accused Pritam was married earlier and has a child. After some years of marriage, he came in contact with a Savantwadi-based victim girl. Pritam claimed to be unmarried and proposed the victim girl for marriage. On Pritam's request, victim's family set the date of marriage, but at the time of marriage, he demanded and accepted dowry amounting to 1.5 lakh rupees. After marriage, Pritam kept the victim girl at Saligaon in a rented house. Soon the victim girl knew of the conspiracy and approached Saligaon police and lodged her complaint. Saligaon police initially registered the case of dowry harassment. Later, case was transferred to Crime Branch. Crime Branch additionally booked accused Pritam Kadam for cheating and sexually assaulting the victim girl. The accused has applied for anticipatory bail and the court is yet to give its verdict. Interestingly, the suspended accused cop Pritam Kadam is playing hide and seek with the police department. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
The Panji Children's Court has sentenced rigorous life imprisonment for the accused Vinesh Faldesai for raping a minor girl. The court in its verdict has observed that a Fatorpa resident accused Vinesh from July 2010 till January 2011 used criminal force against the victim minor girl and raped her several times. Victim girl's mother had rented a room to accused Vinesh in the house. The court has also held guilty mother of the victim for abetting and has sentenced her 5 years rigorous imprisonment. Let's take